Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning. It's time to get to work. It's the AM. Had some crazy stuff happen last night. So today, the goal is to get these tires swapped out and get an alignment done. Because last night, after my rim came out of the tire, I guess my whole alignment is screwed up now. But fortunately for me, I have buddies who don't mind helping me getting this fixed. So yeah, we're gonna take care of that today. And then not only that, we're going to get this BFI done. So finally here at the tire shop, about to see what they can do. Hopefully they can get me done with 2 used tires for about 100 or so. Let's see. Yeah, so this bad boy popped out yesterday. You want to take a look at that? So that's what happened to this tire yesterday, or actually this morning at like 5 a.m. Gotta get 2 new. Ooh, and it's already rashed up, man. Woo! For $100. Shout out to the boy. Gotta get 2 new fronts on me. So yeah, while he's taking care of that, I'm gonna go ahead, grab this cash out the bank. Holla at y'all in a minute. Gotta support neighborhood business. Trashed, bro. Just trashed. Yeah.
I bet this car in 2010.
Oh, you bought one?
No, I was bidding an auction. I couldn't get it.
Oh,
this
shoot.
guy just push it. And I told him that I would get it no matter what.
Yeah, man.
And that guy pushed.
Damn. Well, yo, shout out to Prosperity Tire out here on Rhode Island Avenue, Northeast. So if you ever come to DC, you know, this is where you gotta get your tires done. You know, I'm gonna make sure I'll put a link in the description. You know, shout out to Berlin for holding it down today. It's my man's right there. You know what I mean? We're gonna get back to it and on to the next part of the project. Had to make sure the car was centered up real quick. Definitely just got a bing on this side. No bueno. About to do some work. Yo! The bro, this clown. Finally get on the road. About to do an alignment real quick. What are you extending it to?
That whole line, you know,
That little metal piece?
that metal piece under your car, that's like the part where you jack the car up.
Right.
There's a little chip, so once I did it the first time, it shifted. So now I'm just making sure it's directly in the center. So if it does shift, it has space on each side.
True.
But it shouldn't shift, but it just did.
All right, bet. I'll put it up.
You get it right. Shake it. It would have fell if it was gonna fall.
Well, I'm glad it didn't. I would have been mad, bro. Yo, I'm so freaked out right now. I don't even want to see my exhaust system. I've gone over so many speed bumps, bull. But I don't want to look at it. But here we go.
Like, you know, spaces in between them. The ball joints are all there. They're not leaking, they're not busted. The boots are all connected.
True.
So what I mean by the 12 and 6 is, what you do is you grab the wheel and you have to really like lateral it, or is that, you don't call it vertical when it's vertical, but I think it's like
Right.
a lateral shake or something like that. Basically what that checks is your ball joints and it, like anywhere where the wheel could pivot left to right, creating a camber basically. Which
Well,
is
I
not
mean,
doing, but
you know we love camber.
I'm sure. But only thing is this ball joint. No, it's good. It's just dirt. It's your power stand, really. So if you want, do you have any aftermarket shit on here?
Nah, I mean springs are cut.
Cut?
Yeah.
Lower than spec, like the normal spec.
Yeah.
So the ride height is different.
Yeah.
Shit.
So wait, what happened?
No, this is just. Let me go get some gloves.
Right. She is one dirty biscuit. I didn't want to see this, but this is low light problems, bro.
12 and 6. I don't know the damn numbers on that.
Welcome to DC.
Right in between. See all the oil. The shocks are no good.
So come to find out, I got 2 busted shocks in the front. No point in doing alignment today. We'll get around to doing alignment whenever. But yeah, for right now, we're going to just move on to the BFI.
So basically what it does is give you all the schematics and different things you need. I'm gonna go to diagrams, harnesses, splices, grounds, connectors, components, electrical diagrams, blah, blah, blah. So I don't see it here.
Well, while he's checking all data, I'm gonna check YouTube University. All right, so we're moving on to the BFI. About to get this popping. You gotta come in here. We're gonna take this air box out real fast. We're gonna drill 2 holes right here. Take the snorkel out. So to do that, we're gonna have to take out the light here, and we're gonna try to make like a little air channel from the front over to here, and then create a box to go over this box and make it look sexy, you know?
This comes off?
Nah, I think just these here.
Here. Because if this has to...
I need some light.
Might be underneath.
So I'm thinking something over on this side, and I'm hoping it's not under the bumper. Yeah, it's pretty freaking tough. Well, Dev is about to, ooh, I'm tired. While Dev's about to take the headlight out, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the little cuts we gotta make. So, gonna go ahead, get this wheel turned. Yeah, I let Dev handle this little metal shit. He's a lot better at it than I am. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna direct this airflow in the best way. Without throwing big rocks and stuff. And my intake. What happened?
It's all that behind there. This would have been much faster
If it was
flat.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Finally got one on there. Deb over here getting pissed off because this joint ain't going right. But we finally got it. Gotta do one more and then we'll
We're gonna try it first.
we good. Yeah, facts. You're absolutely right. Good correction. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and test this out real quick, see if it lights up. All right, so we finally got everything cut up. All we gotta do now is reassemble everything. Eventually what I will be doing is gluing on the covers for this. And go right here. It's gonna look real nice. Then I'll make like a little box to go around here to seal in the air a little bit better. So my car breaks down today, but you know, in the middle of traffic, sacrificing this bulb, but that's all good. Like if you got your fan on,
Sand that. Don't you hate that shit? Sand that. No. Yo, 18-year-old, no paying bills ass. The LS.
so what you want to tell me about your car, Gummy?